So today I'll be showing you how to save your AirTag battery. Now I'm using the AirTag second generation, but this works on the previous AirTag as well. Now there's no power saving mode on the app, on the Find My app for your iPhone. So there's really no official way of saving the battery. But if you only use your AirTag occasionally, you can save your battery by simply disconnecting the battery. Okay, so you simply go and open up your AirTag, just put pressure with 2 fingers on the back cover and turn anti-clockwise until it pops out, and then remove the battery. Anytime the battery is outside the AirTag and disconnected, your AirTag is essentially off. Okay, and that's gonna help you save your battery. Now you can put a piece of paper in between the battery and these connectors. Okay, if you have a very extremely thin piece of paper and you put it there to disconnect the battery, you can actually put the battery back in and put the cover, and so that you don't lose your battery. Okay, or you don't lose one of these components, and then just twist and close the enclosure, and that's going to help you save the battery of your AirTag. So next time you want to use it, just go ahead and reconnect the battery or remove that piece of paper, and your AirTag is back online. So that is a workaround, but it's really the only way to save the battery of your AirTag. Thanks for watching and good luck.